Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I've been away for 9-10 days, but I'm back now, so I'm going to try and crack on with the regular videos. So today I'm going to be talking about VeChain. Before I get to that, I'm going to look at the cryptocurrency market, because while I've been away it's had a decent 10 days or so. So we got a market cap of $1.263 trillion, 24-hour trading volume of $43 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is up to 45.7%, so Bitcoin dominance is up quite a lot. We're down 0.53% today, which isn't massive. So Bitcoin is trading just shy of, 29.5 at the moment. I know it's been over $30,000 last week while I was away. I wasn't keeping that much of an eye on it, but I did peak from time to time. So Ethereum's had a good week as well. That's over $2,000. BNB been performing quite well. What did I notice when I looked at it? I noticed Solana, which I've been banging on about breaking back into the top 10. It is slowly getting there. It's up 23%, and this is a strong buy for me. Not financial advice, but I've been saying for a long time, and SHIB's dropped out just like I said it would. BUSD. I think Solana's going to continue climbing up. Anyway, that's by the by. Biggest rises of the last 24 hours. I've not checked this yet. Render token, that's up 13%. It's a fairly flat day, to be honest with you. There's nothing really above that, and Loopring, the rest of them are below 10%. So a bit of consolidation today, so not really much going on. Moving on to the VeChain page just to see how things are looking. You can see we're selling off slightly. I'll move on to the chart next just to see how things are looking. We're currently trading at 0.025, down 2.82% against the US dollar. Market cap is below $2 billion at $1.844 billion. So $1.8 billion, sorry. Circulating supply is still 72.5 billion VeChain. So that's that. So where do we want to go next? Let's have a look at the chart. So this is VeChain on the daily. So I've been away since about then. We had a nice little push up. We didn't quite make it to 0.026, which is where the next resistance is. We sort of tried to get there but didn't make it. After we broke out this parallel channel, there was a big sell-off, but we found very clear support at 0.019. There's no divergences in play, so today could just be a little bit of a pullback. We're above both the 50 and the 100, with the 100 sloping upwards, which is very bullish. So we could be making another test attempt at that 0.026, followed by 0.032. Moving out to the weekly. Just zoom out on that a little bit. There's no divergences. Everything's looking good on the MACD. We've got positive momentum. We're about to cross above the zero line with the signal and the MACD line, which, you know, there's potential for us to be targeting 0.08 within the next few months should things keep going this way. Things are looking fairly decent on the chart. I'm not too concerned about a pullback. I need to get all my log into all my accounts and see what sort of spare BUSD and USDT I've got, because I might be a buying opportunity today. Again, not financial advice, and I'm just thinking out loud really. I haven't made a video for ages, so I need to get back into the swing of things. So moving on to the article that I wanted to talk about, it's on Crypto News Flash. So I'll go through it very quickly and link it down below so you can make of it what you will, but the good news continues to come out for VeChain, which is why I believe that when the bull run does eventually come, I don't think it's a bull run at the moment. I think we're just having a nice little run up. But when we do go into the bull run and we start to see exponential gains, the fundamentals behind VeChain will send it. I'm trying to think of the right expression. Not into the stratosphere. That makes me sound like a complete idiot. But it's, you know, move parabolically, so to speak. I'm not sure. But you know, all the good news and all the partnerships, I just see this as a solid investment to me. I'm only investing what I can afford to lose, which I suggest all of you do when you're involved with crypto. Just remember, there's a chance of every single coin out there going to zero. So bear that in mind. You can lose everything, but I don't see that happening with this. So VeChain's revolutionized blockchain by bridging Web2 and Web3 with VORJ and billion-dollar market. VeChain has released its latest sustainability-focused white paper in partnership with BCG. The protocol also launched VORJ, a no-code development platform for Web 3.0 innovators. I remember covering this before about a code-free programming solution for Web3, which is just mind-blowing. Anyway, there's a growing number of innovations in the VET ecosystem at this time, and one of the major ones that were recently unveiled is the launch of the protocol's new white paper. As announced, the new VeChain white paper was launched alongside Boston Consulting Group, and it focuses on the protocol's works on sustainable development. There's a tweet there. I'm not going to click on it, but you'll feel free to click on the link down below for the article and go through it. But that's just their tweet about it. VeChain, and as a blockchain protocol, was branded as a versatile enterprise L1 smart contract platform. The protocol was first launched in 2015 as a private consortium chain, working with a host of enterprises to explore blockchain applications. Since its inception, VeChain has focused on new initiatives to have largely defined its core focus for the long term. Some of these new initiatives entail the design and launch of key applications that help facilitate efficiency in several industries. These industries include supply chain, logistics, food and climate change. VeChain's involvement in these industries speak of sustainable practices, and this remains what it is highlighting with the new white paper. Drawing on its role as a major protocol helping to fight climate change, VeChain said that building ecosystems that reward users for their actions, for example by driving electric vehicles, you can earn carbon credits to be spent with other vendors in the ecosystem. Working closely with Boston Consulting Group, we're taking this approach to global scaling, placing VET at the heart of the Web3 sustainability revolution. The VeChain protocol also announced in its latest product dubbed VORJ. VORJ is designed as a platform to offer a code development in a sustainable way. The VORJ protocol is branded to offer sustainability as a service not just to Web 3.0 platforms, but also to the broader technology ecosystem. The anticipation for VORJ dates back many months, as reported last month by Crypto Newsflash. I believe I covered that. One of the core focuses of VORJ is to serve as a major platform where developers can launch applications with no code, which is again mind-blowing. This innovation is arguably a game changer in the industry and will help lower the barriers for entry to developers eyeing a Web3 ecosystem. The newly launched VORJ system will now enable users to create, manage and deploy intelligent systems without writing a single line of code. Again, I can't get my head around it, but it's incredible. Besides helping to cut the cost of deploying decentralized applications and smart contracts, VORJ will help hasten the time the new systems are deployed into the market. The VeChain protocol continues to outdo itself in terms of new innovations, with the release of the new white paper and launch of VORJ are some of the most anticipated innovations for the year. VeChain also has other unique products and services in the pipeline for its retail and enterprise clients. With new inroads into multi-billion-dollar markets, VeChain is setting a standard that may be hard to beat. I can't disagree with that. This no code thing, it just blows my mind that that's possible. But yeah, like I said, there continues to be good news about VeChain. I know people get disheartened with the price, but I just see this as a time to accumulate, and excuse me, and that's what I'll continue to do. That'll always be my ethos. While the price is down, I'm going to accumulate, and maybe in a year, 2, 3 years, I'll be sitting pretty. The price will have pumped. I'll be laughing my head off and happy with the investments I've made. So thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. I shall be making more videos this week. Now I'm back from my little trip to Poland, just on the border of Ukraine. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Wish you all a wonderful afternoon and evening. I hope you and your families are all well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.